My heart's stomping in my chest. Like, enter at your own risk. Now, this is the risk, right? We are hitting the old Reynolds track today. It's an iconic 4-wheel drive track in Australia. We're starting it off at this stupidly good waterfall. Check this joint out. This is the Litchfield National Park in the Northern Territory. Rightio, you get to this sign and that's when you know you're on the right track. Hitting it pretty early in the morning, so, well, we don't know if it gets busy this track or not. Rightio, at the moment, iCheck are having a sick sale. So this is the TPMS we run to protect our tyres, rims, caravan, our lives. So this TPMS system is the best in Australia, and for this month, if you use our code SKT, 10% off, free shipping, plus a free set of deflators worth almost $100 or something. So that's pretty sick, but it's only for a limited time till stock runs out. So SKT, we'll get you that offer at iCheck. We're going to drop the tyres to corrugation pressures because this track is pretty rocky, plus it's a bit sandy. If you drop them too low, you could pinch your tyres or buckle your rim. So never go too low, important to drop your tyres so it's a lot more comfortable. But anyway, we never know what we're getting ourselves into, so I always say low is better. But today I'm going to drop them to 20 and see how we go with that. Far out, the flies are stickier than Pooh Bear's fingers, but just on them deflators again, they're the most accurate in Australia. Check this out, 22 PSI set them to all, and check that out, 22 PSI on all of them. That's how accurate they are. And yeah, we're gonna hit this track now. Hopefully we have no problems. They're starting off a little bit sandy, but yeah, we're not scared of a bit of sand or a bit of water. So let's see if we get into any trouble out here.
Right, so we're on our first river crossing, and the first sign that we see is a big croc sign, no swimming. So I'm not going to get out and film this one. Keelan reckons we're not going to walk it either. So,
well, you can't walk it if there's crocs in there. So, well, I'd rather keep my life and maybe drown my car. But yeah, we don't know how deep it is. So, and it looks long, looks bloody long. Yeah. Probably 100 meters, I reckon, this one easy, and it goes around the corner, so it could be even longer.
This will be the longest water crossing we've done in Leroy, because we literally haven't done any massive water crossings in this car. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully we don't run over a crocodile. Right, we've got the drone going.
Got the GoPro going, got my heart going. My heart's stomping in my chest. Like, honestly, it's going hard. And we're about to drop into this half pipe maybe. We don't know what's under the water here.
Here we go.
The start doesn't look too bad. Going here. Look at this.
Oh, you can hear it sounds like a boat.
Big Leroy is submarine hippopotamus mode at the moment. Let's hope it doesn't go real deep right here. You! Oh, a bit deeper. Oh, that was sick. Full hippopotamus mode.
Alright, that was the most chaotic filming of my life.
I swear, when you're up here on these tracks, like I can't go surfing anywhere around here. This is the next best thing, is full driving and getting my adrenaline fix. Because let me tell you, when you don't know what you're in for, dropping into something long as that, it gets the heart going. I like the sound
of the car when the muffler, oh no, it's not a muffler.
Well, it does muffle.
The exhaust is under the water. It sounds like you're in a boat. It sounds so cool.
How's that? We haven't seen many dingoes since Fraser Island, and that's definitely a dingo print heading that way. Doesn't look that old too, because it's over the top of all the wheel tracks, so there's definitely some dingoes around somewhere here. So the main skipper's in the cockpit at the moment. She's skippering this ship, and yeah, it's pretty corrugated out here, eh? Like, glad we dropped the tyres. Like, the creek crossing wasn't that much, not that bad, but yeah, I'm sure you can hear that. These corrugations are pretty gnarly in here. Obviously,
They're
it doesn't.
So tall. They're like the ones that were on that Columbaroo Road.
Up to Mitchell Falls, yeah. Definitely has Columbaroo Road vibes about this joint.
It's so funny. We were just saying yesterday, like, we've been like quite homesick, but as soon as we've crossed into the NT, it's so strange. Just the feeling of NT feels so much more like WA. We're actually like feeling a lot better and less homesick. It's so weird.
Must be the corrugations, eh? Definitely don't bring your nana on here with false teeth. They'll be falling out pretty quick. The Cypress Creek action here. One thing to note about this joint, Litchfield, just NT in general, I reckon, is that there's signs that this is a bit funny actually. I actually find this amusing. So there's signs saying you can swim, right? However, it says that they participate in a reduction risk of crocodile attack. That's their program. They reduce the risk. Doesn't mean, so just be careful, because people still get attacked in swimming holes around here because it's a reduction joint. So it's not like there's no crocs here. No one's patrolling it every day for a croc. And crocs have legs. They can move into new swimming holes. That's what they do. They hunt around for a food source, and a lot of the time the swimming holes won't have any fish in them. They'll have plenty of humans, so the crocs move on anyway. But anyway, that's beside the point. It's reduction risk. It's not swim here, it's swim at your own risk. So someone did get attacked here sometime earlier this year, and it was at one of these joints. We can't remember which one it was, so yeah, anyway, we're heading into Sandy Creek. Bit of a hike, but it's a beautiful day, beautiful country out here. It's given us real Gibb River Road vibes, this joint, which is nice because it reminds us of WA, reminds us of home. So holy shit, we've made it. Wait until I turn the camera around here and show you guys. This is unbelievable. Holy moly. We've hit the Holy Grail, look at this. Welcome to the NT, baby. How's that little jungle perch, eh? There's a couple of them in here. Look at him. He reckons I'm gonna give him a bit of food, I think, but this place is unbelievable. Insane. Looks crocky, but old mates that we just passed then said they didn't see any crocs and they swam in here all morning, so that's a good sign, but still not definitive. Like I said earlier, this is a healthy reminder that the camera's never gonna do it justice, so you need to get out here and start exploring Australia, because there's spots like this that you get by yourself. No one's here. Cannot wait to get in the water. I wonder how cold it is. I wonder if it's going to reduce the size of my reproductive tool by half.
It's pretty shallow there.
Yeah, that's right.
Belly flop.
Bit sus on the crocs.
Stay in that clear bit where you can see the bottom. 1, 2, 3.
Whee.
Oh, that's so good.
Bit of context, we just come from Mataranka and all they got over there is hot springs, so
This is so nice and fresh.
to get some cold water, she's bloody good, but
And not in a creek that's this deep.
how good is this? But this is literally the reason why we do what we do, to find spots like this by ourselves, you know.
And if you don't have a caravan or a camper trailer, you can actually camp right in here. So I think
Rooftop
Sandy
tent.
Creek campground, there was a few people in there, but this spot's still quiet. So you
Yeah.
can camp in there, come down early in the morning, get it to yourself.
Yeah, so this,
So good.
I'd only recommend rooftop tents. You could probably get, I don't know if, you're not meant to tow.
Not allowed to tow.
You're not allowed to tow.
No.
Alright, no towing, but you probably could get a camper trailer in here, I reckon.
But you're not allowed to.
But you're not allowed to, just for the record.
Swim around in that shallow bit.
Rightio, we just got to the next crossing, and this one you got to drive along the river.
And who told you that?
Sarah did. I've got no idea what I'm doing. Sarah,
He's like, just jump out and film
That's
me.
your job,
I was
but-
like, you've got to turn around the corner and then drive down the river. What am I going to do then? Just stay here?
it's a good job you know what you're doing because you are the navigator. So anyway, my HEMA maps isn't working, so let's see where this goes. Hopefully it's a hard bottom. Haven't put it in full drive. Oh, it's just a puddle. Look at this. How cool is this? This is sick.
Alright, so we're making our way down to Surprise Creek Falls right now. Apparently this one is a little bit of an unknown gem, so we'll see if we get the spot to ourselves. But we're going to take a platter down, have a nice lunch together, and it looks unreal. It's like 3 big separate pools with a waterfall and stuff. It looks really cool.
Alright, so remember this morning when I was saying to you, it's not a blanket you can swim, it is a blanket enter at your own risk. Now this is the risk, right? I'm sure you guys know what this is. This is a croc trap. Now, so what's going on here is that there's a big bit of bait right there, and then the crocs are going to come in and yeah, get in that. I was hoping to see a croc in there actually. That would have been really cool if they had a caught one, but yeah, so that's what you're up against. So the creek we're going to, we're going up creek from this, so up a waterfall, so it is harder for them to get there, but like I said, they do have legs, so they can get around the trap. So yeah, anyway, thought I'd show you that. That's a croc trap in the wild. What do you reckon?
Do I want to swim? No.
How good's this?
So pretty. Don't know if I want to swim.
Look at, yeah, look at that. What a beautiful spot. I'm going to check up further as well, see if there's another pool. How's this spot for a bit of lunch, eh?
Not bad.
Look at that. That's living. The olives, cheese.
Meat.
Look at that sandwich. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. If you are, make sure you like and subscribe. It's the easiest way to support us, and it keeps us on the road doing what we're doing today. So yeah, if you can, please do that for us. It means a lot. Plus, we're going to be doing some a subscriber giveaway soon. So if you aren't subscribed, you're definitely going to miss out. We've got some merch and we're going to be flinging some shirts around. Rightio, we made it off the 4-wheel drive track. I reckon that river crossing actually got a bit deeper in the end. We told some tourists, some backpackers in a higher Hilux, and we were like, yeah, it's not deep, you'll be fine, don't stress. And they were real worried. And then I went in first before them and I was like, oh shit, it's got a bit deeper. I've sent them up down the wrong track here. But anyway, we got out, they got out, it's all good. But we're checking out Florence Falls now. This is actually where we've parked the caravan. So we're in the national park camp. You need a national park pass to get into all these spots. And we really recommend coming in here and camping. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and go watch this video right here.